going on, Chris here? It looks like the dollar has moved, and specifically, we can see it here with the market structure break on the 12-hour, the one we've been waiting for. It finally broke. Now we wait for the retest and the resumption. And the weird thing is that the euro hasn't broken down on the 12-hour. So that's like one reason to be cautious and not really, I think that's kind of why there's going to be like some time delay. Some call it like time deception or manipulation. It's because it hasn't fully committed yet. We're waiting for the euro to break down as well. The euro represents risk-on activity, and then the dollar represents like risk-off. So we're getting closer. We're not there entirely. So we did break a trend line. We broke. So just to like kind of explain what's going on here, this is the weekly. The idea is like we sell at the highs, this red line or the moving average channel yellow line high, and or this like weekly close. That's kind of where we want to short. And this is the forecast. This is the acknowledgement, or the like part. One part of the solve is like showing how it's really following the pattern. And then this is the SP500. We're just kind of in the middle of nowhere, just like the Euro USD. It's like in the middle of nowhere. And then the idea is we would wait for it to go into the trend line, maybe some sell limit, break down a little more, some sell market orders. We target this level. And then the 12-hour of the dollar breaking. We're still waiting for the euro to break down, which hasn't yet. So we're waiting patiently and with discipline. The VIX on the 12-hour hasn't broken up, and the euro on Euro USD on the 12-hour has broken down here. It just moves so quickly. It just didn't close. Like there's a missing candle here to cause that to not turn solid. So like technically it broke down and made a 12-hour close. It's just the data feed skipped, and then we could see an area where SP500 could go long up into here, maybe a good shorting opportunity at the right time. Of course, we have to kind of align time with this. And so for the meantime, like next week looks like a really good long opportunity, maybe for like $100 or $200, and then the big, the fat pitch will come probably second or third week of July. So these yellow stripes represent weekends, and this one looks like July 4th. So first weekend of July, second week of July, third weekend of July. So roughly after the third weekend of July, we could see on not only the S&P 500, but Euro USD on the trading spectrum as like a prime time to be looking for a breakdown of market structure, probability-wise, math-wise. So could play long here. It looks like there's some naked breakers here that's going to attract price up there. So we're just going to take it slow. I just have no idea how this is going to play out near the close. How I would like to go long and just do intraday scalps, and that's pretty much it. But I'm wanting to go after the fat pitch, because the fat pitch is the one that if I wait long enough, like if I get in, I can wait long enough and it'll go in my favor, so it's less likely to be wrong. Now, if I go for these scalps, they're really fickle to where they could go against you for one day and then go in your direction that you wanted the next day. So it's more difficult and higher chance of being wrong. So I don't know. I haven't decided. Like I'm trying my best to just wait till the third week, but I might just start a new account and try going for scalps there, so then I could scratch my itch, but still not destroy my new account. If I open or my live account, so I would get a new I guess phase 1 account. Phase 1 is not live, and you go through phase 1, phase 2 before you can get a live account. It's like the qualifications for being like given money, and I think that's just the way I'm going to go about it. I'm going to go try to get a second account, and I'm not going to trade my live account until the third week and exercise that discipline. So that's just the new update. The new update is that the probability of the downward swing is becoming more and more likely as the dollar gains strength. We're seeing some dollar strength. We just need some euro weakness, and we got some math cycles, specifically the timing solutions and the harmonic cycle, or the harmonics that we put. And it looks like we are this trading spectrum here is going to be our ticket for what is going to be the thing. This thing says we're going to hit probably near the bottom, coming near August. And if we go to here, look at that, August. So we got some confluences. Probability is a lot higher, and that's kind of what we're going for. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.